Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. So I am going to do a spring cleanup on our porch. As you can tell, I still have my winter decor up and have a few things that have made it onto the porch, like the soil, getting ready for the garden. So I start by just beginning to clear off so I have a fresh space. I take out my old flags. We're going to put up this new one. It says Welcome Spring with the truck. I did a black and white pattern over the winter, so now I'm ready for some color. I have a few little tables and chairs, and I have plenty of windows. You'll see me move windows out. I think I ended up having 7 or 8. I purchased these at antique places, and I use them to make glass and resin decor. But I store them on the porch in case there's any bugs or anything. I don't want them in the house. This little church pew, a friend of mine is being generous enough to let me store it for her. We use it at our craft shows as a display, and it's so cute and it fits perfectly in this space. So I'm just sweeping off here, getting all of the old spider webs and dry grass and everything off. This old chair I actually found in our crawl space when we moved into this house. It's not in bad shape, but I definitely wouldn't sit in it, so we're just going to put a plant on top of it. These woven rugs, I love the colors in them. I purchased them in South Carolina at a craft show down there. There's a couple that hand makes them, and I try to purchase them every chance I get. I do have a purple one and a yellow one. This little rabbit pillow is so cute. I was gifted it, and it actually has just stripes on the backside, so I'll just flip it over after Easter. This plant that I have has went crazy in the house this winter, so I'm just cleaning out and debrising all of the old branches off of it. I'll be setting it on this end table that you see beside the pew. That table was given to me by my mom that she was given. It's well over 100 years old, but it's still really well made, and I love it out here on the porch as a statement piece. I have my Christmas cactus. They'll also go out here. We are actually not as warm as I would like this time of year, so I have pulled some of these back inside until I know that it's safe for them to be out during the night. I clean out this 3-tiered plant stand that I purchased at auction. I had just had some wintry green in there, and I'm going to be putting some Easter decor in those. They remind me of Easter baskets, so that's what we're going to do. I tried to separate the porch into 3 sections while decorating so I didn't get overwhelmed or get into too many things and not be able to finish them in time. So I made this wreath out of some Pioneer Woman fabric and a metal flower that I had laying around. So that's going to be on the decor. There's that yellow woven rug I was talking about. We're going to place that one and probably layer that with another rug on top. So I start working on the baskets. I purchased just regular Easter grass from Walmart, as well as these large plastic eggs. So I'm just going to put burlap in the bottom, sprinkle the Easter basket filling, and then place 2 eggs per basket. I also figured with the Easter egg filling, the birds can use that for their nest this year. We have a lot of birds in our yard, and they're always looking for straw, or oddly enough, our dog hair. After we groom our dogs, they'll take it and use it for their nest. So I thought if nothing else, they could use this string, and it would make it at least pretty for them. So now I'm going to clear off the last part of the porch. I'm going to take the garden soil around to the actual garden, remove the blankets that I had on the swing for the winter. I love front porch swing setting no matter the weather, so I always have blankets. Duchess is always around. So now that I got everything cleaned off, I'm just going to sweep really well. I do have a butterfly bush there at the back, and it sheds really bad in the fall and winter. I did not cut it back this year like I normally do, so a lot of that ended up on the porch. I'm just going to add the Chanel blanket back to the swing and then add some pillows, and as you can see, we are now ready. I didn't do much to the other side because the swing is pretty much its own statement piece. But just having a little bit of color and new patterns on the porch makes it feel so much better. I'll probably keep this up till around June, and then we may switch out a few things. I did add a few flower pots here on the side. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you in our next one.